The Pocket 3 from DJI is probably one of the best travel video cameras on the market right now. And my favorite accessory for it is an ND filter. And an ND filter is basically a pair of sunglasses for the lens itself. This helps keep your colors vibrant whenever you're shooting in a very, very bright environment. And it also helps keep the frame rate stabilized. But I do not recommend the DJI branded ND filters, and here's why. When you fold this thing up to travel, these filters from DJI are actually too thick to close inside of the camera itself. So you have to get these on and off all the time, get fingerprints all over them. It's just a mess. If you're gonna pick up some ND filters, I'd recommend the K&F Concept ones. They're thin enough to actually fit inside of that little gap whenever it closes. But maybe I'm missing something here. If you have any experience with these ND filters, tell me about it down in the comments.